Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom sounds public so anyone can use them. So first of all, what you need to do is head over to Snapchat. Once you're on your main page here, as you can see, there will be a little music icon on the right hand side. So assuming that you've gone ahead and created your sound already, what you need to do now is head over to my library. Once you head over to my library, as you can see here, I have created a sound, but it is now set to private. So what I need to do, if I want to set this to public and allow anyone on Snapchat to be able to use this, is simply just click and hold down. And then once you do that, you will get an option to edit this. So click on edit. And then as you can see, there will be a little toggle right there. So you can click on the little toggle, and then that will make this sound public. So what you can do is you can then put in a name. So I've just put 1, 2, 3 and then click on save sound. Go back over and go to my library. As you can see, this sound is now public. So it's just simple to go ahead and make a sound public on Snapchat.